Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question in exercise 5.2. 2 into root of cot of x squared. So first I'm going to rewrite this function in this manner. 2 into cot of x squared the whole power half. Now you know x power half, you will differentiate this as half into x power minus half. The same logic, think of this as one function and apply chain rule. So this will be 2 into half into cot of x squared to the power minus half followed by d by dx of cot of x squared. Now this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this is cot of x squared the whole power minus half. Now let's differentiate cot of x squared. Cot of x squared is going to be minus of cosecant squared of x squared into d by dx of x squared. So this is going to be equal to another 2x on differentiation. Now the entire thing, that sign, I'm going to take this off. So this is minus 2x cosecant squared x squared. The whole thing I'm bringing, because this is minus half to the denominator, root of cot of x squared. So this is the final answer for this particular question. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.